Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove or disable the found new hardware message you get when you install or put in new hardware onto your computer. So whether it's a USB device or any sort of media that you're hooking up to your computer, and it says that new hardware has been found, that you're just looking to remove that. Maybe it's popping up all the time and you're not, for some reason it just keeps saying it every time you're plugging it in and it's not remembering that device. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully just turn that off. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the start menu. Type in regedit, so R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best result should come back with registry editor. You want to right click on that and then select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. Now before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it, so if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create the backup, it's very simple. You just would left click on the File tab and then select Export. File name, I would recommend naming it the date in which you are making the backup. Export range should be selected at all and then save it to a convenient location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, you just would select File and then Import. So again, pretty straightforward process. Now you just navigate to the file location clearly. So now ready to begin. I should note that if you need to pause the video or slow down, you're more than welcome to while we're going through this. You can also see the file path up at the top of this window here. Each backslash is a different folder we're going to go under. So if you want to pause it when we're all done, you're welcome to. But anyway, we're going to start by double clicking on the HK local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder. Same thing for policies, double click on that. Same thing for Microsoft. Should be a Windows folder, double click on that. Should be a folder that says device install. Go ahead and just double click on that. And then it should be settings, just left click on that one time. Again, if you need to pause the video, you can see our path up at the top of the screen here. And on the right side now, you want to right click in a blank area. Select new. And then select the word 32-bit value. Go ahead and left click on that. You want to type in disable balloon tips, all one word, no spaces in between any of these words here. Go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard to save that. I'm going to make this column a little wider so we can clearly see the name here. And we're going to double click on this value. Set the value data to 1, so delete the 0, type in the numerical value of 1. Base should be hexadecimal, which it should already be by default, and then select OK. Once that's done, you can safely close out of the registry editor. You will need to restart your computer for the change to take effect, and that should be about it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.